Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the circulatory system. So there's two main parts for the circulatory system, that is the blood vessels and the heart. I'm going to be starting off with the heart for this video. So first, there's two sides of the heart, the right and the left. The right side is for deoxygenated blood and the left side is for oxygenated blood. So let's go through it. So I'm going to start off with the deoxygenated blood. So deoxygenated blood comes from here and here. And those both have its own name. I'll write it down here so you guys can see. The top one is called superior vena cava. Vena cava. And then I'll move this. And the bottom one here is basically an antonym of superior. It's called the inferior vena cava. Let me move this here. So that's where it starts off with. So that's that. Goes up, and then it'll go to this chamber right here. This one right here, and that chamber is called, of course, it's the right atrium, and that is where the blood goes after the vena cava's atrium. And then after that, it goes through a valve right here. It goes down here, and this valve, I'll go there. And the valve is called. I'll write it down because it's pretty important. So that valve is called the triscopid valve. This one right, triscopid valve. So yeah, the triscopid valve right here. Oh, my bad, boys and girls. I'm gonna quickly undo that. So after it goes to the triscopid valve, it goes to this main part here. And this part is called the right. I'll write it down right here. It's called the right ventricle. So that is right here. That is that. Then after that, it'll go through up here, and then it'll go out, and then it'll go somewhere up here, and then this part, it'll go into, some of you guys might know, pulmonary valve. So it'll go through another valve here, and then it'll go into the pulmonary arteries, into right here, the lungs. So when it goes to the lungs, this is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood, and it goes to the lungs. And then after diffusion, and then getting exhaled the carbon dioxide, you inhale oxygen, and then it goes through the process of more diffusion, and then the lungs will go from, let me use a pen, go from the red, this red. So it'll go from here into here and here, and then it goes to the lungs to the pulmonary veins. So I'll write it down there. I'll write it down in black. up here. So right here is like, so only place where I'll put deoxygenated blood, I'll say oxygenated blood. So only place where right here, deoxygenated blood, deoxygen. I need to make this a little better. Deoxygenated blood goes through an artery. Sorry guys, my spelling is a little off, but yeah. It goes to an artery, and vice versa. So that's important to know right here. So this section right here, I put it over the. So this is more here. This is the only place where that deoxygenated blood goes into an artery and oxygenated blood goes to the vein. So after that, it'll go into up here. And then this place is opposite of the right side. So it is, let's use red. It is the left. What is happening? The left atrium. And then after it goes to the left atrium, it goes to another valve. And down here. And that valve is called, right here. Yeah, undo that one. That valve right there is called, it's instead of triscopid like the other valve, is called the biscopid valve. BICUS, biscopid valve. And after it goes to the biscopid valve, you guys should probably know where it is going next. It'll go down here. And then this place is, of course, called, instead of it being called the right ventricle, this is called the left ventricle. So after I go to the left ventricle, I'll go up around here and go, it goes up around here. And then it goes to the biggest and strongest artery, and it is called right here.